Hey, GT Canada here, back to show you a top tip for your Ford Flex. 2009 Ford Flex, but it works on pretty much all of them. So if you've got a Ford Flex, you're very familiar with this. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this. So you're going to start by popping off this trim piece here. I just used a flat blade screwdriver, pop that off. There's another trim piece right here. You need to pop that off. Behind your reflector, which is normally here, you're going to pop that off. There's a little Phillips screw there. And then around the trim of the door, there's Phillips screws all the way around. You're going to pop all those out. And this door panel is going to just lift right off like this and like that. You don't have to go very far. You don't have to pull the whole thing off. What we're looking for is this guy right there. So there's a rubber piece on there that just gets stuck out a little bit too far. So you can see there, see how far out that is? So all you're going to do, if you do it not one-handed, it works better. See, I'm going to roll that just like that. I'm just going to reach under here with my finger, put it into position. There, look at that. Works every time. Just like that. So put the screws back in, bolts back in, clip your trim pieces back on, you're done. This is the 15-second fix. No dealership required. Hey, thanks for watching another GT Canada video. We got lots of great stuff in store, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest stuff as we upload it. Comment below and watch the next video.